Before we start the play, I would like you all to have a look at few important terms used in this play. Investment. Money invested in an enterprise for earning profit out of it. Paperless transactions. When amount is not paid in the cash form. Business risk. Risk involved in a business due to uncertainties making insufficient profits or can even lead to losses. Partnership registration. Partnership firm with the registrar of the firm of the respective states where it is located. Internal trade. Trading done within the country limits. External trade. Trading done outside the country limits. Internationally. Social responsibility. A company has a responsibility towards the welfare of the society too. Fulfilling and understanding needs of the society and to volunteer is called a social responsibility. Character introduction. Partner 1 Tahir as Kabir Malhotra. Partner 2 Pari as Riya Agarwal. Partner 3 Asma as Ritika Shah. Partner 4 Ark as Vivek Oberoi. Shareholder 1 Rufi as Rohan Singh. Shareholder 2 Kritika as Preeti Sharma. Narrator Muskan Kaur. During office hours, when two colleagues were about to start a new beginning from colleagues to partners of a firm.
Hey, how's everything going?
Hey, nothing much. I really need a break at the moment.
Let's go out then.
Sure, let's go.
By the way, your office work is going tangent. There's no motivation for better productivity. But soon I'm going to start my own business for which I need a partner. And I think I can make this business go for a longer.
What about the investment?
My loan has just got approved from the bank, and for further confirmation, I just had to visit the bank.
It just struck me. I have an own ancestral bungalow in the market city. And honestly, office work is no more my cup of tea.
So let's work on this idea and make it a success.
Let's do this.
They started a business and it went all well in the beginning. They worked on their idea and named their firm as Pehnawa. A few weeks passed, their business isn't doing too well and is running in loss.
We have tried all possible methods for our business, but our business needs some new ideas and strategies for flourishing.
What do you think about e-business? In today's time, everything reaches people faster through the internet. And we can market our products and designs to a larger audience.
That's a great idea. By this way, we can reach people all over the world without any time restrictions also. But what's the procedure for e-business?
It is very simple as it's paperless. Also, I know someone who is well acquainted with all of this and can help us in setting up the website. He can help us with the transactions and the payment online.
Okay, sure. This will help in bringing us a positive response towards our business.
Yes. I'll try to contact him as soon as possible.
Few weeks after they set up their e-business, the business flourishes with a shoot in customers and investors. They can now pay all the pending amounts like insurance and bank loan on time. They can now think of some new additions to the business. Scene 3. A meeting between all the partners and shareholders was held by Partner 1 and Partner 2. A step towards the expansion of the enterprise, that is, involving more partners and shareholders to the firm.
You know what? The best part of the company is how it grew in spite of all the losses.
Yes, indeed, this company is actually good and profitable investment for me.
I'm glad that our teamwork and risk did result in the upliftment of the company.
Yes, sure. But we have to look for some new designs to compete in the market.
I have got some new and interesting ideas for the new design, which are in trend and have high demand in the market.
These ideas look quite amazing, but my name and reputation are also something to talk about, as it can help you in giving that heights to the business and demands to the idea.
So, are these ideas final?
I guess this will do. I'm interested to invest in it.
So as everyone is satisfied with the ideas, now let's sign into a contract and launch these ideas in the market soon.
After days of research and execution of the new project, a conversation about it wasn't seen. All the partners had a high expectation from the project.
Hello. Hi. I'm expecting a lot out of this project because the ideas are quite interesting and innovative.
Yes, but I would like to give you an advice since I'm in this from the very beginning. Never expect a lot out of a new project as there may be various risks involved.
She is right. We are quite experienced in this field and we know what a business consists of. So Vivek, may I have you seated please? A business and its risk go hand in hand. A risk has got various aspects and is an essential part of business. Profit is the ultimate motive behind all the risks taken.
So, what do you mean exactly? Should we hesitate to introduce new risks involved?
No, all you mean is that the risks behind every step should be kept in mind.
Risks like what?
There are many possibilities. Economic and physical causes are very uncertain at this point.
I'm still not clear about this.
A market undergoes with various fluctuations like change in demand, change in preferences, etc. This is where the chances of loss increases, which is an economic cause. On the other hand, damage and defect in the assets, like for example, old machinery defects can make it rough to use, which can lead to several accidents or damages, which is a physical cause. Now, the point behind explaining all of this is that these uncertain causes may lead to certain changes in the project.
Yes, depending too much on plan A may be disappointing. So being prepared can help the project go smoothly.
Oh, I get it now. Some uncertainties are beyond our control and being prepared will help us run smooth. Well, thank you guys for your explanation.
Thank you.
Good evening, my fellow partners. I'm here to discuss a very important decision relating to our company. As I've been researching about various aspects related to companies and our business, I've come across the need of registering our firm as a partnership firm.
Huh, what is the need of that? It's just a waste of time.
No, actually wait, Ritika has a point.
How does she?
As we have progressed over the years, we have learned many new things related to companies. As in the last meeting we have discussed, one should always keep in mind the risk that can be involved in a transaction. We should even think about the risk that can be caused due to human errors.
What kind of human error?
Human causes of risk refers to the loss of things due to human beings or employees of the organization.
Maybe in the form of dishonesty of employees or carelessness or mismanagement of the resources, which might bring heavy losses to the company.
Are you trying to tell me you don't trust me? Besides, registration isn't even compulsory.
No, having a written agreement will avoid disputes in the future and the liabilities will be limited too. Plus, it will give the partners the ability to file a case against a third party or even against another partner if needed. So, it can help to convert a business into any other type of business structure in an easy and convenient manner.
This actually makes sense to register the firm legally. So it will be advantageous for the business for the long run.
I agree with Kabir.
Okay, since we all are in for this, shall we start the process of registering our company?
The document containing the terms and conditions of the partnership agreement is known as partnership deed. It is a stamped paper on which the rules and regulations and the terms and conditions are written. It also contains rights and duties of the partnership firm.
Tell us about the procedure.
Yeah, actually I found this method online which is very simple. You have to just fill in the details of individual like name, address, and then we have to fill a affidavit with the details of the partner and the company.
Affidavit is a written statement confirmed by oath or affirmation for use as evidence in court.
After this, we have an inspection. After all the objectives are clear and documents are verified, we'll have a certificate copy of our firm as a partnership firm.
Yes, and the fees can also be paid through paperless transactions, which I can help you go through the process with the help of my contacts.
That sounds great.
Yes, I'm glad that we have brought this up. We will be now officially the partners of the firm.
All the partners now signed the partnership deed and signed themselves as partners of the firm legally, as well as they officially registered the firm and filled the affidavit. They soon received the confirmation and then got registered legally as a partnership firm. Scene opens with partner 1 and partner 2 on a business call.
I have some good news. You go first.
No, you go first.
Okay, so I just got an order, and guess who? Famous Bollywood director Meghna Gulzar had called, and she wants us to design the clothes for her upcoming movie. And she has also given me advance for her work.
Wow, that's great. And what about you?
Our first ever international trade order. Carla Auto Paris wants to merge with us.
Wow, that's a great news. I had heard that they wanted to contact us, but I wasn't very sure about it. And they seemed very impressed with our new design. And they were even impressed by the fact that Vicky is our partner.
I'm glad our hard work flourished the business.
Yes, I'm glad too that all our hard work got us to here.
Part B. Social Responsibility. A business party was organized to celebrate the growth and the efforts made for the enterprise to withstand in the market. In this 5-year journey of the company, all the people who held their hands together throughout were invited.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? This toast goes to all the people present here. Thank you all so much for trusting us and working very hard to bring this company up. The friendship we all have is remarkable, as we went through a lot of ups and downs. This toast also goes to our customers who believed in us. At this celebration of our success, we would like to announce something for our society, as this success goes to them too. I would like to call my colleague Ria to announce the project.
Thank you, Kapil. And thank you all for supporting us at EDUC. We are officially announcing a project that is about the responsibilities that we have towards society. We are going to take a few initiatives and volunteer for our society. Our management has also agreed with this. Going through these detailed responsibilities, like the first one is environmental protection. Our company has always kept this factor in mind and avoided it as far as possible. So, as we are all willing to volunteer for a pollution-free atmosphere and safe environment, environmental protection is one of them. Now, the second, employment. As employment is a need and being a part of the company, I would love to generate jobs by designating 20% of the jobs to people and 33% of the jobs to women. And last but not the least, quality healthcare for the workers. We have decided to provide free healthcare for our workers and provide a healthy working space to all our hard workers. We will be sharing 10% of the profit to the society.
Everyone present in the room applauds and appreciates the initiatives taken. After a few days of execution, the company, Pehnava, got a recognition prize and certificate with due respect. Pehnava didn't just earn profit but also shared a little amount of their profit to the society throughout the years. Thank you.